Whose birthday is it? Yay! Are we going to have a little bit of a party?
No, a big bit.
A big bit. Happy birthday, Mummy.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Mummy.
Will there be luckies on the birthday?
There'll be coffee.
And here comes the rest of the family. Jamie, you're all dressed for work.
Yeah.
How come?
Because we've been cleaning the house because we got an inspection.
Happy birthday, Katie. Did I say that?
Yeah.
I haven't got $1 million to give you this time.
Oh. Oh, look at those interesting trees.
Yeah.
Cassidy was all nervous that we were going to be late for the birthday
We're
party.
gonna miss the party.